Wondering where your save files are for Pizza Tower from AnkerGames? Let's take a quick look. First, make sure you launch Pizza Tower and create at least one save. This ensures the game generates the save folder on your PC. All games on AnkerGames store their save files locally. This means your progress in Pizza Tower is safe, even if you reinstall the game or the launcher. I'll show you exactly where the save files for Pizza Tower are stored. These paths are only for games from AnkerGames. Saves from other sources might be in different locations. You can easily back up your Pizza Tower save files by copying the folder. Store it on a USB or cloud drive, and you can restore it anytime. And that's it. Pizza Tower saves from AnkerGames are local, safe, and easy to manage. Follow for more tips on getting the most out of your games.